Hey guys, let's see how you can enable the message on Ring. That message, you are currently being recorded, okay? When somebody approaches the camera or when there's some motion in front of the camera, you can get the message, right? You see that sometimes it's not working because you just need to set up the sensitivity and other stuff here in the camera. So if you come here to your settings, you can just adjust here on motion settings. You see here motion zones, then you can just come here and just change here the way you want, right? To select the area that you want to be monitored, right? Then it's done here, you just save, and you can also adjust here the sensitivity, okay? So you can just change from minimum to maximum to have the camera working with the motion detection. And then when everything is set up here for the settings, you come here to smart responses, and from here you see the motion warning. That's the one that triggers the message, you are currently being recorded. You see here,
hi, you are currently being recorded.
There we go, the camera is saying that you are currently being recorded. And here you see an illustration of somebody approaching the camera and the camera warning this message, right? Just need to enable it here. There we go. If you just disable here, see there's a message saying that's no longer gonna say you're currently being recorded, okay? So there you go. Here you can enable or disable this message. Just one more time, you just need to come here to the main settings and smart responses, all right? Hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel.
You are currently being recorded.
Give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.